If you want to be a good pen tester, you must know system commands very well. GUI cannot be available all the time for us. That is why it is very important to be able to do all the things in command line. Besides, with the commands you can perform any tasks much faster. In this video, we are going to review the most popular system commands. The provided information looks boring, but it is necessary to know it to get as much information as possible about victim's system. Having this data, you can find vulnerability in the system, elevate privileges, or just perform security assessment. Besides, if you want to attack more computers in local network, this information is vital. Because it is corporate computer, then other computers will have the same configuration, vulnerability, and security policy. So let's get started. We are going to review commands to get the following. Let's see how they can be useful. After we obtained an access to the remote host, we need to know something about current user. Just enter command whoami/all and you will see username, his groups and privileges in the system. Information about integrity level can be helpful if you want to elevate privileges by bypassing user access control. We will consider this technique in details in privilege escalation section. With the command netuser, we can display all local user accounts. If you want to see detailed information about user account, just type desired username after netuser command. From this example, we can see that given user belongs to administrators group. If you want to see all local administrators, use the following command. Now let's try to find something about system. With the system info command, we will get detailed information about the whole system, including installed patches. Driver query command will give us a list of all installed drivers. Probably some of these drivers have known vulnerability, and you will be able to exploit it to get privileged access to the whole system. It is also useful to see applications in auto startup, because if you inject backdoor in one of these programs, you will get a persistent access. We will try to create a persistent backdoor a little bit later. Okay, let's check network configuration with the ipconfig command. Here you can see IP addresses and available interfaces. It is also useful to know cached DNS records. From these records we know which websites were visited by user. Besides, if it is corporate computer, you will also see corporate websites which are not available from internet. The following command can give us cached ARP records. Given records provide information about IP and MAC addresses of machines in local area network. Having this data, you can perform ARP spoofing attack and other interesting things. Netstat command can display all established connections with remote hosts. But that's not all. If you add special options to given command, you will see the list of opened ports, programs and their process. Netstat-R displays routing table on computer. If there are 2 or more network cards, we can add our own route to other available subnets in case if you want to create a pivot point to attack other machines in local network. And finally, let's check the state of firewall. All Windows firewalls have 3 profiles for home, public and work networks. You can disable it or change configuration. Now let's review what commands are available to work with the processes and services. Task-list command displays all running processes. If you need detailed information about each process, you can use the second command. In order to end the process, just enter command task-kill with the options F and PID, and then enter process ID. Option F is used for forced process termination, if it cannot be killed normally. The list of scheduled tasks can be also helpful in creation of persistent backdoor. With netstart command, we can see started services. If necessary, we can stop or start some services. And finally, let's review file system commands. With given commands, you can display any folders and files, even hidden ones. You can also perform searching required files on the basis of some keywords. There are many other commands, and if you need more information, go to official Microsoft documentation or enter help command in command line terminal.